All right, welcome to random assignment versus random sampling. So first up, when should you use random sampling? You should always use random sampling whenever possible when you're doing any sort of statistical study. Right? So the sampling is how we pick the people in our study, and you want to do that as random as possible. So anytime you're doing a statistical study, you should do your best to you do random sampling. Um, what is the purpose of random sampling? The idea behind random sampling is we are trying to avoid bias, and we are trying to pick a sample that is uh, could be used to represent the population, so we can generalize the results to the population. Versus when should you use random assignment. Random assignment we use when we are doing an experiment, when we are trying to prove cause and effect. What is the purpose of random assignment? The purpose of random assignment is we're trying to minimize the effect of confounding variables. And to create similar treatment and or control groups. So you will have some questions in your homework that specifically focus on why do we do random assignment and why do we do random sampling. That's the purposes are more or less listed here. So again, random sampling is when we're picking who from our population will be studied. Random assignment, the sample has already been picked and we are simply figuring out for our experiment who should go in the control group, who should go in the treatment group.